Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 26th of May 2024. I'll be going over my weekly prediction for SPX for the coming expiry on the 31st. We can see that the CE is the same, but the PE has gone up, so that's positive. Quantity is higher for PE, which is also positive. The change is higher for PE, positive. Short squeeze is higher for CE, and another positive. PCR is still above, it's manageable. It's not 3, so we can keep it as a positive. Implied volatility and historical volatility are both lower, so that's 2 negatives. RSI is up, positive. No divergence, positive. ADX is up, ATR is down, that's 2 positives. Both EMAs are up. VWAP is up, pivot point is up, and candlestick, however, is a doji, so that's a negative, but everything else was a positive. Overall, the support is now 5,350. That's a little bit weird. All it means is that the option chain predicts that price goes above 5,350. It's not exactly a support. And again, resistance is that they're saying that it should say below 300 or above 5,350. Previous week's support was 5,300. Resistance was 5,300. And according to the option chain, SPX's weekly trend should be up the coming week. So thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.